Hello there, I am Tugustu Zarun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue today's lesson here, sorting and filtering cells. Microsoft Excel spreadsheet can contain a great deal of information here. Microsoft Excel spreadsheet can contain a great deal of information. It can help you to store data, organize data. It helps you to perform calculations starting from simple to complex calculations, and again it's possible to perform tasks that may seem for us easy, but they may take a lot of time when we perform using paper and pen or pencil with our brain. Comparing with computers, the computer can save our time. With more rows and columns than previous versions, Excel 2010 gives you the ability, and above version, the ability to analyze and work with an enormous amount of data. As the most effective use of this data, you may need to manipulate this data in different ways. As the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet contain a great deal of information. Sometimes you may find that you need to order or sort that information, create groups, or filter information to be able to use more effectively. Just think about the central processing unit, which is the hardware part of a computer system, can perform arithmetic calculations, can perform logical operations, can perform also sorting, and in case of logical comparisons, it helps to filter data, it helps to sort. In case of sort, for instance, in ascending, A is 1, Z is 26, then in ascending order, it performs such operations inside the system. When you come to the software is Microsoft Excel helps us to sort and filter cells. Any computer system works by the combination of hardware and software. Sorting. Sorting lists is a common spreadsheet task that allows you to easily reorder your data. Possible to reorder. Most common type of sorting is alphabetically ordered, starting from A to Z. And just open Excel, type EX on start menu, or window key with letter R, run command, type Excel and open Microsoft Excel. Here under home tab on the right side, A, Z, sort and filter are appear here. Additionally, you get also under data menu, A to ascending, Z to is descending, and it's possible also filter data under this software. First name, here if you have such type of data, how can we for instance, let me insert additional row here. If you have such type of data here, how can you sort in alphabetical order? Just data menu, click on sort. But as you have seen, name is included and it is sorted. Without including name, how can we do such this thing? Just click on, rather than click on AZ, sort. Then was the column. My data has header. You have to exclude the header by checking this mark. Then sort using name column. As you have seen, starting from Havel, it is ascended A to Z. The same to descending from the smallest to the largest, which is ascending, and in case of descending is from the highest to the lowest. From the smallest to the highest means ascending. A is 1, Z is 26. The other operation is filtering cells. It's possible to filter data easily. Based on a specific criteria, we can filter where is found under data menu. Then select filter. Now the filter button is appear here. As you have seen, all are selected. For instance, if you only select Abel, you can check on Abel, then you can filter out like this the record for Abel. To return back, selecting all, based on the criteria sex, for instance, only female will be listed, including the male, and you can also the advanced custom filter, for instance, address equals you can also custom. It may seem easy, but when we use traditional operating systems, paper and pen, without brain, it may take time. For instance, if you have a huge data above 100 records, you can easily record female only records from the list. You can clear also the filter just here. To unselect the filter, click on here under data tab, filter command. It will be cleared. Next is working with charts. The other feature of Microsoft Excel is a very important part. It helps you to change tabular data into graphical form. Chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate your data graphically. Possible to change tabular data into graphical form. Charts allow your audience or most easily see the meaning behind the numbers in the spreadsheet. Make showing comparisons. Here, as you have seen, under Insert tab, you have chart option. Variety of charts are exist. Based on the data, the chart also may vary. Charts can be a useful way to communicate the data. When you insert a chart in Excel, it appears in the selected worksheet with the source data by default. How can we create? Just you have to have first, you have to prepare data, tabular data. Then you can place a title, axis, the X and Y axis, and you can add additional information on the chart, including formatting the chart. formatting the chart. Let me demonstrate you here. It's possible to add a new sheet, then on the second sheet, for instance here, grade. Okay. Here, male, female, total. This value plus this, and control D. You can click on control D. You'll get just change this value 34. You will get next value. You can by using fill handle or with on the keyboard control with D. You can get the next value. Selecting the cell, selecting insert tab. Here is chart types. Based on the data, the chart type also may vary. Line chart, bar chart, pie chart, area chart are rapid, but here columnar chart is appropriate for such type of data. Let me choose here. As you have seen, the chart is inserted, but the data and the chart are on the same working place. We under design tab, under chart tools, we have additional tabs like design and format when we create a chart. Therefore, move chart. Objective not on the new sheet. The sheet is placed on the new sheet. Now you can change the title, for instance, by double click. You can change Nurse XY School Students. You can give also the y-axis. You can label the axis. The vertical. You can label the vertical. You can label also the x-axis. X-axis. You can change also the color. Under format, you can format, for instance. Here you can change the other column and as you have seen, the red is grade 11, the other is grade 12 chart. Possible to change tabular data into graphical form using this software. Last one is printing workbooks. When you want to change into hard copy, we can view, we can adjust, we can view under the print preview. You can change also the orientation. Here under page layout orientation is, you can make it landscape chart, for instance. You can portrait or landscape. You can make it landscape. File, print. You can adjust by visible the green line. You can adjust here like this. And you can change into hard copy. You can print out. This is all about Here's today's lesson. Thank you.